everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Plan With Me video. So take out your journal and plan with me, or grab a snack and just chill. So for the month of August, I went for a study kind of a lo-fi theme because I'll be having my finals on August. So I thought this will be appropriate. Yeah, so for this page I actually recreated one of Aminder Rachley's bullet journal setup. I guess it was April 2020 setup, which was a lo-fi one, and I'm recreating this one how much I can. So firstly I have drawn all the illustrations with pencil, and I'm just overwriting it with a black pen. So it's kind of a study space, workspace, or whatever you say, near a window with lo-fi music and all that stuff. So it's just a normal study space with some books, a desk, a chair, laptop, a lamp, some books over the shelf, and some books here and there, and just a plant, I guess, for some interior decoration and all that stuff. And for the lettering of the month, that is August, I just went with what Amanda did. It's just a simple typewriter font. And on the left side I actually wrote the quote of the month, and it's not the time to look for excuses. I thought it's just what it is about exams and all, so I just went for it. And then I just drew some grid lines to just fill up the space, because I was not using any stickers or anything else. And I just overshadowed it with some watercolors or light pastel colors, and just a little bit to add color. Yeah, so then I just drew some points here and there to fill up this space, and some paper clips. Now for the monthly setup, I just went with the normal simple setup that I do mostly. And yeah, as you saw, I did some mistake, and so it's okay. It's nothing perfect. So it's just a normal hand-drawn line. I'm not using any ruler or something, so these are some wobbly lines, and I just want that some natural and imperfect setup. Yeah, so I guess the boxes were 6x6. So on the above I just wrote EOG for August, I guess, the short form, and some books, and an alarm clock, some pictures, some plants, just for the theme. And it's just interior of a room. And on the extra space on the right side, I drew a box for so to write anything extra, and maybe for the next month or any other events or stuffs. And then I just colored the top of the boxes just to add a little more definition with the same pastel colors that I used in the first page. Some little brown, little yellow and green for the plants and all that. And as you can see, I've also added a little leaves because it's just looking just empty. And for the picture frame, I just drew some two mountains, hills and a sun peeking through it. And then I just wrote the initials of the days and all the dates. And turning over to the next page, we have the setup for our habit tracker. Is the usual setup, but I just did a little extra and made it kind of like a picture or something, which is taped into wall. And that's it for my habit tracker. And then I've just written the dates from 1 to 31, and then I've divided it into 5 columns because I'll be having 5 habits to track. And then I've colored the entire box with a pastel lemon yellow kind of color, just to add a little more life to the page, you can say. And for the next page, I've divided it into 2 parts. One to write all the movies or the series that I'll be watching this month. I guess there will be less because I'll be busy with my exams. And I went for a Google Meet theme because I went for a study theme. So this year, even last year, was all about online classes and all of that stuff. So that was a Google Meet theme, and below it was an expense tracker, and you know the drill. It's just details plus and minus. That's it. And then I colored it the same way with all those pastel colors and all that stuff. So now moving forward to the much anticipated weekly theme. So I just went with this same layout, just like the monthly page and all that. Some books, plants, a clock and all of that. And then I just divided the page into 4 sections for 7 days. 4 days on the left side and 3 days on the right side, and then last box is just to write something for the next week or something, because I'll be making only 1 layout per week. That's it for my weekly layout, and I just added the same color and everything. So now let's flip through. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye bye.